Hello guys, welcome to the Economy Hut. Again I have come with a new topic, that is what is capital market, and it is going to be an interesting and also and obviously an important topic. So we will see the details of this part. So, guys, actually, we all know that everyone loves the power that comes with money, but it needs to be balanced power with a huge amount of monetary sources. Understanding the capital market can be the best way to earn a lot of money from this really discussed sector by the common man or the retailer investors. So, guys, let's start with the introduction part. Now guys, we will see these instructions in details. So first of all, in this part we will see the areas from where the the areas from the capital market which every individual should know as a possible way of earnings. So let's see what are these possible ways. So guys, we all know that investors choose to invest in regions that are risk free and deliver higher annual returns over bank fixed deposit programs in order to maximize their earnings. And here is where the capital market investing options come into play, as it is both risk free and offers greater returns than bank programs. Now this is all about the introduction. So let's see the next part. In the next part we will see the what all the things are traded in the capital market. I mean, the things which are traded in the capital market, we will see about this. Now, government bonds, short term or long term corporate bonds and debt securities are we all know these are all among the financial products. Now these are the financial products which are really available on the capital market. Means these are the things which are available on the capital market. Now guys, let's see the next part. Guys, now we will see how is the capital market risk free. So let's see in details. Now guys, the capital market works on long term investment, and thus trust becomes the most important aspect to make it risk free option. Only trustworthy organizations are allowed to operate and trade in the capital market. The government's organization, big companies, big institutions who are working for a decade and having a stable returns history are considered as the safe options. So these are the things where we can see it as the safe options. So let's see the next part. In the next part we will see who are buyers in the capital market. Now let's see the details. Capital markets are open to all types of investments, whether they are financial institutions, private companies or wealthy individuals. Now the big institutions or private companies are can be potential buyers in the capital market, and it's associated with safety under all the volatile conditions of all the global market conditions. So these this is in this part we have seen the who are the buyers, which we recognize the buyers in the capital markets who can buy from the capital market. So let's see the next part. In the next part we will see, can any investor sell bonds in the capital markets? We'll get the answer. Now guys, the capital market consists of the primary market and the secondary market, which is where the bonds are traded after they are issued. The secondary market is defined by the competition between supply and demand of a particular security. So this is about the investors sell bonds in the capital market. So let's see the next part. Who regulates the capital markets? It's important questions. Who regulates the important this capital market? Now we will get the answer from this part. So let's see it in details. Now India's capital market is similar to the equity market, but unlike equity market is controlled by the collective forces on all state regulatory authorities like Securities and Exchange Commission SEC of India. They start regulating the sellers and buyers of the capital site to minimize any major financial gaffes because of such amount of investments. So in this part we have seen who actually regulates this market, this capital market. So let's see the next part. Now in the next part we will see who is allowed to invest in this capital market. Previously we have seen who regulates this capital market. Now who is allowed to invest this capital market? Now let's see. Now all the institutional buyers like big organizations, government owned bank, private banks, these are the organizations who are allowed to invest in this capital market. So let's see the next part. So in the next part we will see can individual buyers invest in the capital market? So what do you think that they should? Can individual buyers invest in the capital market? What is your answer? Okay, let's discuss it. So let's see the details. Now the capital market consists of big transitions and transactions in billions. Any high net individuals, also called as HNIs, who can keep this much larger pool of the money into some securities for longer terms, can invest in the market. So this is the answer of this question. Can individual buyers can invest in a capital market or not? So let's see the next part, and actually the last part of this topic. So in this part we will see, can retailer investors invest in the capital market? Means whether the retailer investors can invest in this capital market. So guys, we will get the answers. So in this part we will see this part in details. Now the capital market is a bulky investment, but states like India are evolving with some lucrative schemes for retail investors, through which retail investors can invest in the capital market. Any investors who want to invest and wants to sustain the market against inflation, then the investment in the capital market is the best option for the buyers. So here we end our topic. So guys, if you have any questions related to economics and finance, just feel free to ask us through comments, and we will always be happy to discuss on the topic mentioned by our viewers. So feel free to ask any doubts about economic to us through comments. So guys, thank you for listening. Thank you so much. Stay tuned till the next video. Thank you so much.